much in a really high performance of it.
Yeah, the C8R is actually quite impressive. It's not just the Corvette, it's the new mid-engine, and it's the R version.
A lot of fun.
Oh, yeah, it's Father's Day gifts. You know what's a good gift for Father's Day?
Oh, what's that?
University of Tennessee football tickets. Did anybody here catch the score of that Tennessee-Bama game this year? Anybody?
Don't throw anything, okay? Don't throw anything. I'm standing right next to him.
I am from Chattanooga. Hey, we were proud this year, so anyhow.
I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to the airport director and AirShow, actually the airport manager and the airport director, Mr. Adam Fox, for inviting me to perform here for you. The sport of flying pavement is called P40. If you have not had a ride in a sailing yet, I can highly recommend you do so sometime. It's a beautiful experience. I took my first ride in a sailing when I was 7.
Eyes over Fire Airport. Here he comes back down to that iconic aircraft, the P-40 Warhawk. This Pacific aircraft is an actual combat war hero in the Pacific Theater and has 2 confirmed Japanese skills, a Zero fighter and 1 Betty bomber. Our aerobatic demonstration today is being flown by Mr. Tom Richard. When he's out performing at air shows, he owns and operates the world's only full-time T6 Texan and P40 Warhawk flight school. The big wing over from the left. Watch now as the P40 lines up for the runway once again, coming in from the left. American Dream, a rare 2-seat TP40 and Warhawk, acquired by Tom Richards and his company Warward Adventures, based at American Dream Sky Ranch, South Carolina. Amazing. Holy by the American Volunteer Group, or better known as the Flying Tigers. And the only one in the world offering dual instruction. If you've ever wanted to fly a P-40, now you can. It was recovered by an Australian crew after a very lengthy restoration. It flew again in 2009 and was reimported into the United States in 2014. Being powered by an Allison V1710 V12 liquid-cooled engine, producing 1,240 horsepower. The aircraft has a wingspan of 37 feet and a maximum speed of about 340 miles an hour in the Mediterranean theater of operation. The versatile P-40 served until finally retired from military service by the Brazilian Air Force in 1950. The Americans were not the first to put the shark mouth on the aircraft, but it goes all the way back to World War I. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, 4, 5, 6. Used in North Africa. But of course, the legendary Flying Tigers are the ones that are most remembered for this iconic aircraft and the paint scheme of the shark tiger mouth on the front of the aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, photo contest night edge flight, the P-40 Warhawk. In the skies one more time. Roll that aircraft around, reposition from the left. Setting up for multiple fast 80-round rolls as they approach from the left this time. Again, showing you just how beautiful an aircraft the P-40 is. Many of the pilots that flew her said she is really a sweet aircraft to fly indeed. Here he comes from the left. Let's watch and listen to the incredible sounds of history, ladies and gentlemen. The P-40 Warhawk. One of our frontline fighters at the beginning of World War II. The legendary aircraft, as many of them now are approaching their 80th birthdays, so it is really amazing that these aircraft are still maintained and flown all around the United States and even around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom putting on a great demonstration in this aircraft. Again, one of the few aircraft actually designed with a two-seat cockpit. Normally this aircraft was flown by a single pilot, but there were some modifications that could be done by Curtis. The manufacturer of the aircraft recommended some two-seat training versions. Now watch as he comes in from the left. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the sights and sounds of history. Tom Richards right on the deck in the P-40 Warhawk. He offers the only dual training in a P-40 Warhawk. You can actually get type rated in this aircraft by flying this aircraft. Tom is a remorseless patriot. Tom has appropriately named this aircraft American here today. In any of his aircraft, you can look up their website. It's warbirdadventures.com, warbirdadventures.com, or visit P40 Warhawk American Dream on Facebook. Ladies and gentlemen, another pass, high speed from the left, the P-40 Warhawk. You'll get a chance to see again more history in the skies over